Good morning guys, today is September 1st. Hey, it's already September. Too fast. So, it is 10:31 in the morning. And magbo-vlog tayo ngayon guys kasi September 1st ngayon.
Honey,
What?
there's 31 days in August.
Oh, not 31st yet?
Nope.
You know what? I'm just gonna include it in my vlog. I'm getting excited already. So anyway, I thought it was September 1st already, but not. Today is August 31st. Oh my god. But anyways, may pasok tayo ngayon guys. So, I kind of like wake up a little bit late, but I already cooked my rice. And I marinated last night my fork. So, my pork. My fork. My pork I marinated last night. So, I'm gonna make beef steak, but I'm gonna use the pork, not beef. So, that's the pork that I marinated last night, guys. And then I'm using the red onions for my meat. And my pan is ready. And yeah, magluluto ako ng mabilisan lang kasi wala na akong masyadong time. May pasok ako ng 1 o'clock in the afternoon. And yeah. So, ayun na guys, yung beef steak pero pork yung ginamit ko. So, yeah, luto na siya. Lasang-lasa yung lemon na linagay ko kagabi. Yung asim ng lemon, lasang-lasa. Ang sarap ng lasa niya. So, pag namarinate kayo guys, lagyan nyo ng lemon kasi lasang-lasa yung lemon sa meat. Sarap yung lasa.
The only time it's worth it is to save battery. That's if you're doing a super long one and like you can't charge your battery. So like camping trips, time lapse, good idea.
So guys, wala na tayong time. I don't have more time.
You got 40 minutes to put on some makeup and brush your teeth.
So I already put foundation guys and just blend it. Alright guys, tapos na ako mag-makeup. Tinime-lapse ko na lang yung pag-makeup ko kasi wala na akong time. In 3 minutes, I'm about to leave going to work. And I'm getting mad already. I've been no phone for 3 days. Because my phone is broken. Done fix it, but it's still the same. It's
I can fix it.
I
took it apart, checked the connectors, and you have a software problem.
Yeah, that's my problem for my phone. I have a software problem. Every 40 seconds keep me restarting again and over and over and over again. So I've been no phone for 3 days. That's horrible. I'm getting mad already. UPS, right, honey?
Yeah.
UPS, they said when we check it yesterday, it's supposed to be delivered yesterday. When we check it again, what's the delivery going? What's look like? They said delay, and till now I don't have I don't have new phone.
Yeah.
And I'm getting mad already because of their service, whatever you call that, their service. Customer service.
I figure their truck got hit.
Oh, really?
An hour after they took off, we got a delay notice.
I know. So my phone.
So either they left and after an hour they're like, no, I'm sick, I'm going home, or they got in a wreck.
Yeah.
Or the company sucks.
So they said they're gonna deliver it today around 3 o'clock p.m. We'll see. Hopefully they're gonna deliver it today because I don't have phone for like 4 days already. Because every time I use my phone, keep me restarting over and over again. Even like at the middle of conversation, still the same. So kind of
pretty bad that UPS has been doing this for like 30 years.
30 years.
And Amazon, their shipping company, is better their first month than UPS is. I've never been happy with UPS.
So
at least they stopped kicking packages. I used to get everything damaged.
So ayun, ready na ako guys. In a minute, I'll be leaving. I'm getting ready for work. Today is Saturday. So yeah.